Well, hey everybody, Backyard Scrapping here. We actually have a little mail call to do. So we've got what looks to be a card. This is from Uncle Al at Oldies and Goodies. So we are going to see what Uncle Al has sent us. And it looks like my first Christmas card of the season. Well, if we can get it, and it is. Very cool. So it says, Happy Holidays. It says, Dino, may you enjoy the most magical and memorable holidays. Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Oldies and Goodies, Uncle Al. That is cool. He threw in a little 1 gram bar of silver right there. I don't know if you can see that. And it says, you can melt it, laugh out loud. Thanks, Al. Well, I'm not going to melt that, Al. That's going to go in my, collection. That is cool. I don't have one of those, so that's really awesome. That is very cool. I've got a 2 gram and a 5 gram, but I don't have a 1 gram. So that is really cool. Al, thanks. Any of you guys, everybody's got to know Uncle Al at Oldies and Goodies, but just in case you don't, I'm going to put a card up here, and his link will be in the description area below. Go check him out, give him a sub, and help him out. Al, check out his videos. He does a lot of great information videos, coins around the world, and he's just, if you need to know something about coins, get with Uncle Al and he'll find it. If he don't know it, he'll find it for you. But watch his videos, help him get his watch time up. Something, I don't know, just recently he posted a video where his watch hours were at like 3,600 hours, and then the next day they were at like 2,300 or something. So I don't know, YouTube just seems to have it out for him. But anyway, check his videos out, watch them, like them, and give him some watch time, help him out. So, Al, thanks again for the bar. I really appreciate it. That is really awesome, and it's going to be a great addition to my collection, because like I said, I do not have one, but I do now. So, appreciate it. Thank you for my first Christmas card of the year. And we shall move on to CoinMan 5000. Now, CoinMan 5000 and I are actually doing a trade. This is his end of the trade. I kind of got conned out of a set or a series that I really want to collect, and CoinMan is the guy to see if you're hunting extras. He usually has extras, or at least 1 or 2 extras of just about everything. So he has sent me a package with some of the silver rounds that I wanted to get. Oh, we've got a little more in here than that. So what do we got going on here? Let me get the note out. Says, Dino, I still haven't made you the bank, so I took my gunslinger out of my Nasco for you. That's cute. Sorry for making you wait. My life gets crazy sometimes. Here's a special gift from me to you included. Also, I'll email you a Kennedy list of what I still need. CoinMan 5000. Alright, cool. So this is the one I actually, I was lacking the silver gunslinger because somebody really wanted it, so I kind of passed it on to them, but I thought I had an extra one and I didn't. So that's the Prospector Gunslinger series. So now that is back to being complete. I actually try to get 2 of everything when I get them too, but evidently I didn't get 2 of those. So let's see what else he sent. He has sent us along 2 of his new CoinMan 5000 stickers, which are pretty cool. And we got something in here. This is a certificate. Boy, that's a nice heavy card. All right. I love it. I love it, guys. Check this out. It's one of his copper bars that he's been pouring. And look at that number. Number 13. All right, brother. I really appreciate that. That is awesome. That is really cool. That'll go right here on my little copper shelf. I have to figure out a way to get him stood up there, but that is awesome. Number 13. Cool. Thanks a lot, brother. I appreciate that. I will look for your email with the list of the Kennedys that you need, and we will let you all go. I'll try and not drag this one out like I normally do. If you guys haven't subbed CoinMan 5000, I'll have a card up here, and his link will also be in the description area below. Go check him out. Every Friday, he does a wheat penny hunt and giveaway, so you need to go check that out and get in on that. Alrighty, guys, we're going to let you go. I've got a little job silver refine that I have to finish up, so I will be out there doing that probably the rest of today. So you guys have a good one, and we will see you all in the next video.